Welcome to Bateau Bay Beach. This is my home beach. I'm really fortunate. It's only about 4 minutes from where I live. I've never been here before to shoot any sunrises, but this morning we've got some beautiful colour in the sky and it looks like we're going to have a really nice sunrise. I haven't been out shooting for a while. This is my first time, so looking forward to doing a lot more in 2019. So I've come down here this morning. I've set up, we've got some beautiful light finally after a period of either heavy cloud or no cloud whatsoever. Finally we've got a really nice sunset that's starting to appear on the horizon, so I'm going to get my camera set up. I'm going to try and capture an image here using these rocks in the foreground as a leading line into this beautiful coloured sky. I've got my camera set up and I've gone down low with a wide angle lens on, and I'm trying to capture these beautiful rocks as a leading line out into the image, and they're covered in this texture and this beautiful blues and blacks. I think that'll be a really nice contrast against this colourful sky we've got coming up in the background. My current settings at the moment is about 1.3 of a second at f11. I'm on 100 ISO, which is the lowest base ISO for this camera. Currently at the moment, just to balance out the sky, I've got a 3-stop neutral density filter, and I've got the polarizer on just to take off a little bit of glare on the rocks. But so far it looks like we might have a little bit of a reasonable result this morning. The sun's just about to rise across the horizon now, and as the tide's slowly receding, the water's moving away from these rocks. But yeah, it looks like a really beautiful sky. I'm just trying to capture a little bit of white water movement and get the right sort of water movement up around these rocks, and then fire the shot as it's receding. I've set up and changed my composition, and I'm using this rocks through the foreground here as a leading line into the sun, and I really like this one as well. I fired off a couple of shots here. Currently on them at f11. It has been a long time since I did the last vlog, and it hasn't been that I haven't been trying. I was out a couple of weeks ago, came down to Sister Beach just a little bit further along here, and I actually started off with some beautiful light in the morning, and then the cloud rolled in, and I still managed to capture a long exposure there. Well, actually, probably better off to look at this little clip, and it'll give you a bit of an idea of what the morning was like. These rocks haven't been exposed here for quite some time. That's probably why I didn't choose to come down here and shoot any seascapes. But this morning, when I've come down, yeah, they're well and truly exposed now, and there's just this beautiful green texture and colour in them. And yeah, all in all, I've managed to capture a couple of images here this morning, and I'm going to go home and process them and edit them and see how they come out. Just want to give a big shout out to an Aussie guy, Ben Futrell, who mentioned me in his latest video and asked people to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate Ben, you're a champion. And to all Ben's subscribers that's come across to the channel, thanks for joining, and thanks for subscribing. To all the people that have been with me right from the get-go, thank you. I really appreciate your support. Hopefully a little bit more soon, coming up soon on the channel. I've taken a couple of months off from my real job and the real world. I'm going to get out and shoot some more vlogs and some more landscapes, including the South Island of New Zealand in March. So I'm really looking forward to that one. So hopefully a lot more coming up on the channel. That's it for this week's vlog. Managed to capture a couple of images that I'm really happy with. If this is your first time to the channel, then please consider subscribing. Give me a thumbs up or a like down below. I'll leave a comment or a question. I always try and respond. Hopefully I'll be around soon shooting some more landscape photography. See you then.